Hi, this is my CS50 final project called Calculus Calculator. My name is Felipe Heitmann. I am from Belo Horizonte, Brazil. Having a hard time checking your derivatives and integrals by hand? Let's check out my Calculus Calculator. In this app, you can write a function the way you like, and the app is going to present to you what it understands from your input. For example, here we have 2 times sine of x plus cosine of 2x here. But you can write it without the parentheses or the asterisk and it will understand as well. If what you see down here is what you wanted to input, now you can go to the next tab, which is derivatives. In this tab, you're going to see the derivative of this function with respect to the variable x. Here we have the result. If you want this derivative as a new input, you can use derivative as an input button. Now it shows the derivative of the derivative, or the second derivative of the original function. Let's take a look into the next tab, integrals. You'll notice here the undefined integral or the antiderivative of this input function. Again, if you wanted to use the result as an input, just click Use Integral as an input. Okay, now this is the result. Inside the form below, you can see the defined integral with respect to x from 0 to 1. Here we have it. You can change the variable of the integral and the upper and lower limits. For example, let's change the upper limit to pi. And this is the result. It accepts expressions like functions as limits too. For example, let's change the upper limits to z. Okay, it works. Now let's see the plots. In this plot tab, you're going to find the plot of the input function where x goes from -10 to 10. This plot will present a function in a way that you can see all of its points inside the interval of the values of x. It will compress and stretch the ratio between x and y to present the behavior of the function inside this interval. You can change the values of the interval presented in this plot using the form below. Here, for example, let's plot it from 0 to 5. Now you can see the plot.